Is your phone running out of storage? If you're using a Samsung Galaxy and want to free up internal memory, I have a simple solution. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer the Snapchat app from internal memory to an SD card. This option is perfect for anyone looking for more space for photos, videos, and other apps. Follow the steps and discover how to make your phone run faster and more efficiently. Here's what you need to do. First, find and open the settings on your phone. Once in Settings, scroll down and locate the Apps option. When you find it, tap on it to open. After opening the Apps section, you'll see a list of all installed apps on your phone. Now you need to find the Snapchat app. To save time searching through other apps, tap the search icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then type Snapchat in the search bar. And in the search results, tap on the Snapchat app. When you're on the information page for the Snapchat app, you'll see several options. Scroll down, find the storage option, and tap on it to open. On the storage page, you'll see a button labeled Change. Tap it. Next, in the pop-up window, select SD card. After that, you'll see the Move button in the bottom right corner. Tap it, and the app transfer process will begin. You'll see a progress bar showing the status of the transfer. It's important not to interrupt the process until it's completed. Once the process is finished, the app will be successfully moved to the SD card, and your phone's internal memory will be freed up. And that's it. I hope you successfully transferred the Snapchat app from internal memory to the SD card. If you have, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. See you very soon, and thank you so much for watching.